Okay, so we're going to integrate cosine 2z over 2z minus I with respect to z in this contour C. And contour C is defined as this. So the modulus of z equals 2. So we'll just draw that on the plane here. So z equals 2. So that's our real, and this is the imaginary. So we can see here that this is a simple closed contour. So that's what this integral is defined on. And this closed contour can be also held within the complex plane, which is also a simply connected contour. So, and it's also open. So therefore, in the complex plane, there we go. So this closed contour is in the complex plane, which means the conditions are right for us to use Cauchys integral formula. So Cauchys integral formula. Okay, so Cauchys integral formula is basically the integral of f of z dz equals 2 pi I times the limit as z approaches alpha, where alpha is a singularity, of f of z, z minus alpha. Basically what that means is find the singularities of this function here, let this function equal f of z, and then take the singularity out, and then what you're left with is what you calculate the function at. So let's see if we can find the singularities of this thing. So 2z minus I is the denominator, so when that equals 0, that means we've got a singularity. So let's solve that first. So 2z minus I equals 0, that means 2z equals I, z equals I over 2. Okay, so that's our singularity. So now working on this formula here, we'll let f of z equal this function here. A little bit more clearer. And then alpha equals I over 2. Okay, so that's all our bits now to put into this formula. So what we can say is now, it's the answer to this is 2 pi I times the limit as z approaches I over 2 of f of z times z minus I over 2. Basically that means now is we're just going to be left with cosine of 2z. So this equals 2 pi I times f of alpha, which equals 2 pi I times cosine of 2 I over 2. Okay, so 2 pi I we can leave as it is. Cosine 2i over 2, that just means cosine I. These will cancel out. So cosine of I, what we do know is that is equivalent to cosh of 1. So it equals 2 pi I times cosh of 1. And that is our answer.